Here we go. 1, 2, 3. In Dublin's fair city, where the girls are so pretty, I first set my eyes on sweet Molly Malone, as she wheeled her wheelbarrow through streets broad and narrow, riding Cockles, Mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, riding Cockles and Mussels, alive, alive, oh, again, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, riding Cockles and Mussels, alive, alive, oh. She was a fishmonger, and that was the wonder, for so were her mother and her father before they wheeled their barrow through streets broad and narrow, crying Cockles and Mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying Cockles and Mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying Cockles and Mussels, alive, alive, oh. She died of a fever, nothing could save her.